The Great Drop, Candy's Journey to Rain. This is Candy. She is a tiny, invisible molecule of water vapor, floating happily in the warm air above the ocean. Candy is so light and small, she can't even dream of falling. She is a gas. But the sky was calling. Along with billions of her friends, Candy soared higher and higher, carried by warm updrafts of air. Up high, the air is much colder. As Candy cooled, she slowed down. She bumped into other molecules, getting closer and closer, losing her energy. The air around them became saturated. It could not hold all the water vapor anymore. To turn from invisible vapor into a visible liquid droplet, Candy needed something to hold on to. She needed a condensation nucleus, a tiny seed of dust, pollen, or salt. "Hello," chirped a tiny speck named Nucleus. "I'm an aerosol, a tiny piece of something that floated up from the ground. I'm just the surface you need to stick to." Candy gratefully gathered around Nucleus, and soon all her nearby friends joined in. The vapor transformed into liquid water, coating Nucleus completely. Condensation had happened. Congratulations! They were now a cloud droplet. These new droplets were so small, only about 1/100th the size of a raindrop, that they floated easily, held up by the rising air. They clustered with other droplets to form a great white cumulus cloud. To fall as rain, a droplet needs to be 1,000,000 times bigger than its nucleus. The droplets began a grand journey called collision coalescence. It was time to grow. The larger droplets fell slightly faster than the smaller ones, sweeping them up along the way. Bump, glomp, bump. Candy and her friends grew heavier, gathering more and more water on their surface with every tiny collision. Finally, Candy had become part of a large, heavy drop called koali. At about 2 millimeters wide, she was too heavy for the air to hold. The drop pushed through the cloud base and fell, completing the cycle as a cooling, life-giving rain droplet.
Hey friends! Wait! More exciting episodes are on the way. But before